In this session, we're going to write a proof of the derivative of cotangent. Now, this is going to be very, very similar to the derivatives of secant and cosecant that we saw before. And in case you haven't seen those, check them out. We're going to rewrite cotangent and use the quotient rule, which is a very common method. So, let's begin. And we have the derivative with respect to x, cotangent is negative cosecant squared x, which of course is the negative cofunction of tangent. The derivative of tangent is secant squared. So let's go ahead and rewrite this. Cotangent equals cosine over sine. So the derivative with respect to x of cos x over sine x is low t high minus high d low all over low squared. Okay, now let's go ahead and simplify our terms. Sine times negative sine is negative sine squared x, and cosine times cosine is minus cos squared x, and that's all over sine squared x. Now, you might be able to see it, but just in case you don't, let's go ahead and factor out a negative 1. So this is negative sine squared x plus cos squared x. Now you should be able to see the Pythagorean identity in here. So this gives us negative 1 over sine squared x, because of course sine squared plus cosine squared is 1, and this is negative cosecant squared x. And there's your derivative. And I hope that wasn't too taxing. Please feel free to check out the other proofs in this series, and I will see you in the next session.